Have you ever noticed that every culture has its icons? Streetwear has them, music has them, pop culture has them, but sewing, not so much. And that's exactly why I decided to create one. Sheesh! Now when you think about pop culture streetwear, there are certain characters and visual identities that you recognize instantly. Now whether it's Travis Scott with his Cactus Jack branding or Carl's companion character, they've become part of the culture. It wasn't about creating another logo, it was about creating a character people could connect with. Now that idea really influenced me when creating the Dope Men Sew mascot. Ooh! Now as I looked around the sewing space, I realized we didn't have that kind of representation. A lot of branding felt traditional, and ain't nothing wrong with it. I just wanted to bring a different perspective. Dope Men Sew has always been about blending sewing with fashion, streetwear, and culture. So I wanted our mascot to live in that same world. Not just something you'll see on a pattern envelope, but something you'll proudly incorporate into your everyday lifestyle. Ooh! Now every part of him tells a story. The cuts across his face represent sewing seams, his eyes are made from buttons, and he's just smiling because he's happy to sew. Now his hairstyle is inspired by my own hair, and how it's evolved over the years in the fashion industry. Now the scissors by his side represent my preference for tailoring shears over rotary cutters. And they're even tatted on my neck, so making them part of his identity just felt natural. But guess what? I didn't create this mascot to just represent me. I created him to represent everyone that sees sewing through a different lens. Creators who love craftsmanship but also love streetwear. The creators who appreciate tradition while helping push the culture forward. Now people that know sewing deserves to be represented with the same creativity, style, and cultural relevance as any other creative space. Now at the end of the day, this ain't just a t-shirt. This is a visual identity of Dope Men Sew. A brand influenced by fashion, pop culture, and entertainment. I want someone who's never sewn before to look at this and say, hold up, that's a sewing brand? If you've been supporting the vision, thank you. It really means a lot. And if you want to be a part of the first merch drop, visit my website at norrisd4.com. This is just the beginning. Sheesh! Ooh!